flag before. You're bugging. Yeah, I'm sure there's plenty of fishing to be had out here. I bet you're throwing your anchor out. Jarrod has just lost his spinnerbait and he's going to go in after it.
Can't lose him, Nick.
You can't lose your lure, Jarrod.
Oh fuck!
It's cold?
Oh, there's fucking paddle. No, fuck, please stop. Yeah, it's fucking cold. Sweet baby Jesus! Oh my god! Oh fuck! No way, get fucked.
It was off. Oh, Jarrod. It was off.
No, I think I just dislodged it then, but
Yeah.
it felt like I pulled the whole way. I just pulled it in. Getting into me, I can't.
Well, I've got this side pinned down here, so I should be able to put a bit of weight on that.
This would have been hard on my own.
Oh yeah. I ended up just pissing in the lake, so I thought I better come back and help you.
Damo! Behind ya!